Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to update YouTube Music application. To update YouTube Music application, you need to first open Play Store for Android. For an iPhone, open your App Store. I am opening my Play Store. Now here, tap on search icon present at the bottom right corner. With this, tap on the search bar present on the top. Now type in YouTube Music. Then, tap on the small search icon present on your keyboard. After you do so, here you can see your search results. Now tap on YouTube Music. Now, if you haven't updated your YouTube Music application, you can find Update option instead of Open. Tap on Update, then wait for a few seconds till your application gets updated. After your application gets updated, tap on Open option, then you'll be able to open your YouTube Music application. This is how we can update YouTube Music application. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.